Hello friends and welcome to our channel. We will be doing a comprehensive comparison of the top digital business banking options available as of today, which is February of 2025. We will be comparing Relay, Novo, Bluevine and Found. These are the four leading digital banks that offer free business checking accounts. So let's break down the key features that matters the most to the small business owners. What stands out across all the four banks is that they don't have any monthly fees. They all have a zero monthly fee and they all have a zero minimum balance requirement, which is really amazing for a small business owners. You might want to take a look at if there are any new account bonus offers that's available, and as of February 2025, Bluevine has a $300 account bonus and have certain bonus requirements associated with it. Let's move on to the critical other features like APY, which is the annual percentage yield. APY is the total amount of interest that you earn on your money over 1 year, including the compound interest. So it's more comprehensive than a simple interest rate because it factors in more how often your interest compound and so on. Relay has a really high APY of 3.76%, and they offer this rate at a tiered level. So you might want to take a look at the Relay website to see what would be the total balance that you typically might have, and that's the percentage would depend upon the tier which you belong to or your balance belong to. Novo, you don't have any interest that you will earn on your money. Bluevine have a 1.5% and Found has a 1.5%. Opening deposit, Novo has a $50 fee to unlock the features, whereas the rest of the accounts have a $0 opening deposit. ATM access, Relay has free, whereas Novo, its all ATM fees are refunded later. Bluevine has free at MoneyPass and Found it has not specifically mentioned about the ATM access. Let's look into the cash deposits. Something that stands out for Novo is that they don't mention anything specific to the cash deposits, whereas Relay and Found have cash deposits available. Debit cards, both virtual and physical debit cards are available with Novo. Bluevine also it's available, and Relay provides up to 50 cards. So if you have multiple employees, Relay might be a really good opportunity to use these debit cards across your employees. Found also have both virtual and physical debit cards that's available. ACH transfers, it's free across all the four digital banks that we are evaluating. Wire transfers for Relay provides incoming is free, whereas outgoing wire transfers have $5 to $25 based on whether it's domestic or international. Novo, you don't have a capability to send wires. Bluevine, you have capability, and Found, it's free and for incoming. Integrations. All four provides their own easy integrations with QuickBook or Xerox or Gusto or Shopify or PayPal. So this is basically where you might want to think through what is the kind of small business that you own, and based on that, the integrations, you can take a look at the integrations and see where it would make sense. For our business, where we use it for Shopify and for our online products, Novo has proved to be really good. but we are now evaluating for a different business entity, and we feel that Bluevine might be a better fit for us. But again, based on the small business that you own and the circumstances, you might want to take a look at which one of these banks provides you a better result. Sub accounts. So if you want to categorize your accounts into custom pockets for certain, like tax, for your salary, or let's say your business meeting, or let's say for a business asset for a particular specific need, these kind of sub accounts is possible in both Relay and with Found, whereas Novo, you don't have that capability. Both with Novo and with Bluevine, you don't have that capability, and that's something which one of the critical aspects for our new business, and we would want an account which has the sub accounts possible. Mobile check deposits, all four of them are available. Bill pay, every one of them have this capability available. Invoicing, so let's say if you have invoicing for your certain contracting services that you have been looked at, or let's say social manager or someone who you have acquired through any other social platform, you might want to invoice them, and the number of invoices, the transaction limits on the invoicing and the fees, these are all considerable pieces. For our online business, we wanted something with a free unlimited invoicing capability, and that's basically what Novo have provided. So each bank offers unique integrations. Each bank has its strength. So choose the account that best fits your business needs. Visit their websites to learn more and open an account today.